day. Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my closet. We have a new package. New hair just came in. Let's go and open this bad boy up. Harlem, did you come over to see the wig? All right, so we got hair from Allie Grace. Your hair, your crown. Your hair, your crown, Harlem? Your hair, your crown. Who doesn't love a little pretty and pink packaging? When we open up our package, we have a few more hair goodies inside. It comes with some lashes, a wig cap to go under the wig. We have a lace band, a hair bonnet, hair care instructions, and of course our wig. Now pulling out this wig, I went ahead and looked. It's a 24-inch and she is straight. I wanted to go for a silky middle part bust down look, and these units are coming pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut of the lace. So they're coming really ready to be put on your head with minimum work done. So I love the construction of this wig. It is a 655 closure. This is like the perfect like get up and go unit. The structure on this wig is snug fitting. When I pull it, it's supposed to fit your hair really well. It comes with an extra band for tightness, like so you do not have to use any glue at all if you do not want to. Now I'm gonna spray mine down a little bit. You know, we want it to be down, but you don't. All right, guys, so I have my wig cap on. I was prepared to go ahead and jump into having to pluck my wig. I got my glue, I got my protector, I have my curling iron, I have my hot comb. I was prepared to have to go to work and get this wig customized, but you guys, okay, so I have my makeup, I have a powder and my foundation. I put on the wig cap and I just want to make the wig cap look a little bit more like my skin. So this is my powder in, sorry guys, I lost my voice recently. This is my powder in Dark Deep by MAC. I'm going to use like a kabuki brush. And I'm gonna, put this all right here. Just so it matches my skin complexion more. And I still felt like, okay, maybe I'm gonna have to do some customization to this. Y'all, let me put it on. You guys, the wigs are coming. Perfect. Perfect. This is straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. Only thing I did was open up the box, get my HD wig cap out, put it on, put a little foundation on to camouflage, and I just put the wig on. I have not cut anything. I haven't did anything. I am so in shock and so in love. So in shock and so in love. I was really prepared, you guys. I had my wig stand here thinking that I'm going to have to pluck the lace some more. I even took out some bleach. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all everything that I thought that I had to do. I had my bleach bowl ready to go for perfecting my hair, and my hair is done. I already carved out a certain amount of time that I was like, okay, I'm going to have to focus on my hair. No need. This straight is tea. My hair is done. Easy peasy for the day. Alright guys, so when I was recording, I did see that you could see like some line of demarcation of the lace and the cap. So this is my cap on, like kind of pulled all the way up. But once you pull the cap kind of back like this, like you see that, you know, like up here, you don't see this, but you see that thick band. So I want to lay this down so that we have a more seamless lay, even though we do have a closure. And I do want to cut the lace a little bit more and just like customize this to my head. Although it is very, very perfect. Like it is perfect. However, we just need to lay it now. So it doesn't look too bad, but we do see that cap line. So that's why I go ahead and lay my caps down, because I don't want to see that. And with the cap laid down, it won't be that. And then I guess if we go over here, just so you can see, you know, like we just need this. We see this, like we could put some makeup on that lace and cut this off just a little bit more. There we go. So this is what was picking up in the video, so we can make this melt down easy. All right, so we are now about to melt and perfect this lace right here. If you have made it to the meltdown part of this video, hey glam, thank you for staying and watching. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and take this back off. I'm gonna show you how we melt the cap. We already put makeup on it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that all my hair is back. I always do like edge control to make sure all the hair is back. I'm gonna pull it down because we want this part. We want flat part. What we're gonna do, you can do two things. You can either use a glue, which I'm gonna use a glue. I'm gonna put it right here, wait for it to dry, and we're gonna cut it off. The spray to me takes longer to like dry, but you could spray and then use the blow dryer. Okay, so the spray lays the cap down on the head. Let's get the blow dryer. I think the glue is just stronger when it comes to sticking to your head. While that's happening with the cap, so this is pre-cut. I absolutely love. I'm going to cut a little bit more with my small scissors. Just a little bit. A little bit more. When I say I'm gonna cut a little bit more, I'm probably gonna cut to here. Like I just want, whoop, that, like that piece right there. I want that cut. So this is the edge of the lace. We're gonna cut about that much off. So I'm gonna start at the edge. Just want you guys to kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so we cut that extra off. It looks like that glue is almost melted. Let's speed it up just a last. I'm gonna hold it in my ear so that it goes. And this is how I do the first one as well. This is how to lay the ball cap at the front. This is just how I do to lay the ball cap at the front. In the back, I'm gonna just like twist this. And tie it in like a knot. And cut off the excess. Ouch. Tie my little baby hairs up in there. Okay. Our ball cap is on. I can put some more foundation. So I got my powder. You see how like the melt is gonna be melty. Really, we just have to focus on the closure part because it's not a frontal. But you would do the same steps if it was. So with me actually putting the ball cap on and then going in with this. Okay. Okay. Boom. Better. Better, better, better. 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 We like that so much more. Let's go in the other lighting to see if that did the trick. Let's go over here. Always have to test it in the natural. Nope, I don't think so. Hold on. Let's go outside. We gotta make sure. This wig passed the vibe check. Okay, so finishing touches. Okay, so the very last step is if we wanted to use the melting spray to actually put right here so that the actual lace is tacked down, then we can. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have 10 minutes to my meeting. Perfect. Okay, this spray kind of come out a little. This spray kind of come out. Oh. Another adhesive spray that I like to use is the Eben, and this one is a extreme firm hold, so this one holds really well. And I'm just gonna spray. Boom, boom, boom. Spray on that hairline. We do not want her coming in. All right, guys, she is tacked down. She is perfect. The most easiest wig to date that I have ever installed. Like, was this really even an install? We just had to do a few things. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. This had to be one of the most easiest straight closure wigs to put on. It came in the mail perfectly, and yeah, anybody can do this at home just like me. This wig definitely looks like I spent some time on it, or I even went to the salon, but no, we got it right out of the package and put it on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah,